Good day, I am Miss Maria Marisol Igador, your science teacher. So today, we will be having a new lesson. That you are extremely excited for this lesson. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's go. Let's discover something new together.
Okay, good day to all of you. So now we will be having a new lesson, but before we proceed, I just want to tell you, I just want to have a short message to all of you. I want to congratulate all of you because you are now in the second quarter, week 1. So give yourself a treat for this achievement, okay? So we are now in our second quarter, week 1, and we are going to discuss about the major organs of our body. So let's define first what is organ. So an organ is a structure composed of a group of different tissues that work together to perform a specific function. The major organs are bones, muscles, heart, brain, lungs, stomach, intestines, and kidneys. So without these organs or major organs, we are not able to do the things that we need to do or we wanted to do. So basically, or meaning, without the organs, we don't have life. Okay, hindi tayo mabubuhay. So that is the importance of our organs. So let's find out the different function of the different organs. So the first one is called as a bones. I know all of you have a bones. Touch it, feel it if you have a bone. Okay. So literally, it is it is not hard. It is not soft. You can bend it. Yeah, right. So that is bones. So what is the function of the bones? So the main function of the bone is to support our body. So this is an example of a skeletal system. So when we say skeletal system, that is a system that composed of different bones. So ayan po, makikita po natin sa picture yung different bones na meron tayo bilang isang tao. Okay? The skeletal system, which is made up of bones in our body framework. So there are 206 bones in our body. Do you know, I have a trivia, when you are a baby, you have 300 bones. Okay, but when you are growing up, your bones is changing into 206. Okay, tingnan natin kung bakit or research about it, okay? Tapos, i-PM niyo ako bakit kaya ganon, teacher. Okay, then for our next lesson, I'm going to give the answer. Okay, so these are the major part of the bones. So the first one is skull. So basically, the skull protect our brain. Okay, so this one is the rib cage. Rib cage protects our lungs and heart. Last one is the vertebrae, which protects our spinal cords. Okay, so that is the first major organ. For the second one, we have a muscles. So this is an examples of muscles. So si muscles laging kasama si bones. So form the fleshy parts of the body. They enable our body to move. So ibig sabihin, hindi po tayo makakagalaw kung wala din po ang ating muscles. And joints also. Tandaan, ang muscles is laging kasama si joints. Okay? Yung joints is, ayun po, nagkokonekta sa dalawang buto natin. Okay? For example, our elbow. Diba? Parang may dulo dyan. Parang bubaluktot natin ang ating kamay. So, ang ating braso, rather, ayan po, that is a joint. Okay? So, next one is they also give shape and forms to our body and protect delicate organs. So, kung ang bones ay support these muscles, protect then our organs, katulad din ng ating bones. Okay, so we have here the voluntary muscles. So, these muscles are those muscles that you can control, like your arms, legs, face, muscles, etc. So, ibig sabihin, kapag sinabing voluntary muscles, ayun po yung mga bagay o yung mga muscles na kaya nating kontrolin sa ating katawan. Okay? So, another muscles is involuntary muscles. So, ito naman po yung mga muscles na hindi po natin nakokontrol, katulad ng mga internal organs. Katulad ng stomach, hindi natin yan nakokontrol. Okay? Sarili silang gumagalaw. So, esophagus and diaphragm. So, that is the difference between voluntary and involuntary muscles. Okay, for number 3, we have here the stomach. So, alam ko naman kapag nagugutom kayo, ang una sumasakit sa atin ay ang stomach. Kasi, the organ of the body where food goes and begins to be digested after you swallow it. Ibig sabihin, dito po nangyayari ang salitang digestion. Dito po tinutunaw yung mga pagkain kinain niyo po. Okay? So, cardia. Ito po yung mga parts ng ating stomach. So, the first one is cardia, first portion of the stomach, and it is where food content passes from esophagus into stomach. Next, fundus, store undigested food and also the gases released from the chemical digestion of food. Corpus is the body of stomach and the largest of the 4 parts that make up the stomach. This is where the bulk of partial indigestion occurs. And pylorus is connected to the duodenum or the beginning of the small intestine. So, ito po ang different parts of our stomachs. Okay, so basically, ang pinaka-function po ng stomach is digestion. Okay? So, syempre, hindi dyan mawawala si kidneys. So, kidneys filter the waste from our blood. It is a major organ in urinary custom. So, ito po yung nag-filter sa ating blood para ma-filter yung mga waste na nasa loob ng ating katawan. So, katulad ng sinabi ko sa ating lesson, ito pong kidneys is nag-help para malinis ang ating katawan sa loob. Okay? Kaya tayo umiihi or we may okay. So next one is the heart. So this is an example, or this is the 4th chamber of the heart. So heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood around our body more than 1,000 times a day. Imagine your heart pumps 1,000 times a day. Okay, it is about the same size as your closed fist. So, saradong kamay, ayan po ang size ng inyong heart. Okay, so for the right atrium, so ito po yung right atrium, receives blood from the body. Left atrium receives blood from the lungs. Okay, so yung right is from the body, yung left atrium is from the lungs. Right ventricle pumps blood towards the lungs. Okay, sa lungs naman mapupunta ang blood kapag right ventricle. And left ventricle naman po is pumps blood towards the body. Okay? So, that is our heart. So, for the next one is the lungs. I know all of you are already know this one because the lungs filter the oxygen that enters our body because it contains a filtering structure to ensure that the heart receives clean oxygen from the lungs. The carbon dioxide as a waste material of the body is removed from the body through lungs. Okay, so ang lungs ang nagfi-filter sa mga oxygen na papasok sa ating katawan. And also, it helps us to breathe. Okay, that is the function of our lungs. Again, if we are going to inhale, we are receiving oxygen from the plants around us. So, when we exhale, meaning you are giving your carbon dioxide into the plants around us. Okay? So, last one is the brain. Okay. Brain is an organ of the body using in thinking and listening. Alam ko naman na alam niyo na ang brain. Okay, the human brain is highly complex organ. It is found in the head and it's protected by the skull. It weighs about 1.5 kilograms and contains billions of neurons. So, ito po yung ginagamit natin kapag tayo ay nagrarason at nag-iisip sa mga bagay-bagay. Okay? So, here, we have here a game. Tell me what major organ is this. Okay, tell me. Don't cheat, okay? So, the first one, organ that we are using when thinking. Okay, brain, very good. Organ that pumps blood all over the body. Okay, that is our heart. It helps us to breathe in and out. Okay, that is lungs. So that's all for today. I hope you learned a lot today and you enjoyed this lesson. I wish that you are going to like my video and you're going to comment whatever suggestion it is or whatever comment it is. Okay, lahat po ng gusto nyo sabihin, okay lang po, ilagay nyo po dyan. At huwag pong kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. So, thank you. Bye.
Okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned a lot. I hope to see you tomorrow for our new video lesson. So that's all again. I am Miss Maria Marisol Ibillar, your science teacher. Keep safe and God bless. Bye!